What's up, guys? This is your boy Armin and welcome back to Amoy Piranha. Sobra ako excited para introduce ko na tong pabango na to. But di ko talaga mapigilan. We need to calm down. Okay? Matagal ka na bang naghahanap na niche quality perfume, compliment getter, which hindi naman talaga nag-exist ang compliment getter. Depende sa tao yan kung talaga ma-appreciate nila yung pabango, then doon ka nila i-compliment. Also, long-lasting. Magre-reklamo ka pa ba na long-lasting yung scent mo hanggang kinabukasan? Quality as its best and also versatility as its best. This is a niche brand na very affordable at hindi masakit sa bulsa. Alam ko, if kaya ko, kayang-kaya ng lahat yan. This is from the brand of Essential Parfums. This is none other than Masterpiece Buah Imperial. So, itong Buah Imperial, ibang level to. Why am I call it masterpiece? Kasi it's a universal love. It has that mass appealing effect na talagang pag sinuot mo ito or ibang tao magsuot nito, it's a unisex kasi, ma-appreciate ka talaga lahat ng tao. Huwag mo lang i-overspray. Tamang spray lang i-apply mo. Kasi molecular type of fragrance to. So itong Buah Imperial, let's talk about now the fragrance. It starts off with green basil na from Thailand yung ginamit niya dito. It has that green, very refreshing, very green, very zingy effect yung Thai basil note niya dito. Then after that, may naamoy din akong vetiver note. The vetiver note that they use here, it has that nuttiness and it has also that earthiness. Nepali pepper absolute na ginamit nila dito. Talagang from the top, mid, dry down, hindi ka iiwan ng pepper. Don't get me wrong, the pepper will shine. Then after that, dito ka na mawiwirdohan. Ano tong naaamoy ko sa Buah Imperial sa middle note, sir? Etong middle note na lumalabas na dito sa Buah Imperial, doon ka na, you will get lost, mawiwirdohan ka, parang it's like parang outside of this world. Nakaamoy na ba akong gantong klaseng pabango? Parang hindi pa. So lahat mapapa-question mark ka talaga, ano to? That's coming from the Akigala wood that they use here. So Akigala wood, sino nakakagamit ng Akigala wood? Mga Givaudan perfumers na makakagamit. Si Kenton Bish, he is under Givaudan. So it has that trademark. Hindi lahat ng brands at hindi lahat ng perfumers na hindi nagtatrabaho sa Givaudan, hindi makakagamit ng Akigala wood. Sila lang makakagamit. So yung Akigala wood dito, mawiwirdohan ka kasi it has that facets of parang may pagka-pickle juice. Don't get me wrong. May mangangamoy ka talagang pickle juice, but that just gives that sexiness. Sobrang lakas ng dating niya and sobrang sexiness. May maamoy ka din konting cumin, may maamoy ka din konting sweat, may maamoy ka din pagka-metallic, may pagka-aquatic din, and may pagka-konting facets ng mineralic at the background. Then it dries down into a cedar woody musky dry down. So ito yung klaseng scent na let the product talk. Okay? So itong Buah Imperial, hindi ka talaga bibigoin nito. It doesn't matter. You go on a date, you go on a business meeting, you go on everyday errands, papasok ka sa trabaho, konting spray lang i-apply mo nito, compliment galore. Talagang problem solved. Lahat it checks the boxes sa Buah Imperial. Don't forget to get your nose on this one. Okay? Don't forget. Kasi this is a type of a scent na hanggang kinabukasan, tatagal siya. Longevity, projection, sillage, lahat pasado. That's all I can say about this scent. And huwag kayo mawiwirdohan kasi panalong-panalo to.